Hi guys, it's me Giovanni. Today we're going to be unboxing my Godzilla Humidifier. Okay, let's get to it. Guys, I don't know what language this is, so I'm guessing Japanese, but I can't read it. Ooh, instructions I think. This looks like it seems to be a measuring cup. Cable. Get the Godzilla out. See this? Something else in there? Yep, it's his tail. Boom. Kill some boxes. I actually have a Godzilla Funko Pop that looks exactly like this. Here's his tail. We'll clip that onto him after we open it. Yeah, it's cool. Okay. I'm just gonna clip on his tail really quick. I think that's how you clip it on. Clip on everything. This is what he looks like. Oh no. Wait, they're actually really cool on camera. Inside. Let's get the water. It's a measuring cup, so be very careful. Get it. And done. Put it back on the head. Okay. Oh my god, it's heating. I don't see anything. I'm just gonna put my face and then it's on. We're waiting. It's just taking time to heat up, guys, so it probably won't take that long. It'll start coming out in a few minutes. Wait, no, not a few. I don't know. I just got this for Christmas. It's doing it. It's doing it. It's doing it. Bye guys. Subscribe.